All right, so number 5. Number 5 says solve the equation. It looks similar to what we've been working with. The only difference is that after the base, it's not just one number, but it's a quantity. It's kind of a group. But that's all right. That's not going to really change what we're trying to do, which is, again, they gave us something in logarithmic form, and so we just want to rewrite it in exponential form. We want to rewrite it in the way that we're used to seeing. So again, base stays the same, so nothing different here. So my base in this case, right, which would be 2. And then the other two guys just switch places. So 5 comes over, becomes my exponent. And then that whole chunk, right, so they're in parentheses there, that whole group is going to move over. So not just 4x or not just 4, but that whole thing is moving. 4x plus 4. Okay. Now at this point, notice that, first of all, the exponent's a number. It's not a variable, so x is down here. X is not up there, so that's good. I don't know, 2 to the 5th, right? So 2 to the 5th power. And what's always kind of fun with these calculators, or, well, there's so much fun you can have, right, is if you're trying to figure out, if you just keep, if you do it twice, the calculator picks up the pattern, and then you can just keep hitting enter. So, like I did 2 times 2, and I did times 2, and then what we end up seeing is that, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So 2 to the 5th power, which would be 32. And then we got the rest of this, 4x plus 4. Nothing funky here, just straight up two-step equation. Right, so just because you see log, right? So just because you see log doesn't mean you have to grab for your calculator right away. It could be something that can be solved quite simply once it's rewritten in exponential form, which that was the case for this one. We didn't have to do any logs or anything crazy with the calculator. We rewrote it, saw that it was something we could work with, and then went ahead and solved it. So again, don't let that intimidate you at first when you see log. It doesn't mean the sky's going to fall. Just rewrite it, and then in some cases like this, it works out without needing to use a calculator or anything like that. All right, so go ahead and stop here and try number 5 on the right side.